Of all the ways in which the pandemic transformed our lives, few have been as lasting as the shift in how we do business. We all remember March 2020, when practically overnight, working from home became the norm. A workplace evolution that might have taken decades unfolded in a matter of days and has since given rise to the new era of hybrid work. With the hybrid model now firmly established across industries, many companies have rushed to retrofit their spaces. Fewer employees work in office 5 days a week, so organizations have downsized their footprints. In fact, as of 2023, an estimated 80% of offices have been downsized. And where private offices once dominated, desk sharing models, which have tripled since 2021, and flexible layouts have taken their place. While our workplaces have evolved, the buildings themselves typically haven't. Systems that were designed for steady, full-time occupancy are now misaligned with today's fluctuating attendance patterns. The U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, estimates that 30% of the energy used in commercial buildings is wasted, often because systems aren't adjusted to actual occupancy patterns. Hybrid occupancy can create two distinct challenges. On high occupancy days, when more employees are in the office than the space was originally designed for, HVAC systems can struggle to maintain proper temperature and airflow, leading to uncomfortable temperatures, higher humidity levels, elevated levels of CO2 and accumulation of allergens and pollutants, excessive wear and tear on HVAC systems, and higher energy use and carbon emissions. On low occupancy days, when only a fraction of employees are present, unadjusted building systems continue to operate as if the office were full, causing energy waste from lighting, heating, and cooling unoccupied building zones, excessive carbon emissions, unnecessary HVAC system usage adding to wear and tear, elevated operating costs due to unnecessary energy, maintenance, and filter replacements. The consequences of these mismatched retrofits are significant. Employees may experience fatigue, respiratory irritation, or reduced cognitive function due to poor air quality, while viruses and allergens can spread more easily in crowded spaces. These impacts affect productivity and retention. In fact, according to the 2025 Fellows International Day of Clean Air survey, 40% of U.S. employees would consider leaving their employer due to poor indoor air quality. Beyond the human impact, misaligned retrofits increase energy consumption, undermine sustainability targets, drive up operating costs, and shorten the lifespan of critical building systems. Ultimately, quick pandemic-era retrofits, while well-intentioned, often fall short of supporting today's hybrid workplace. The good news is that the hybrid model presents an opportunity to retrofit smarter. Before beginning a new retrofit project, evaluate anticipated occupancy levels and ensure building systems are properly aligned. Identify layouts or building zones that may be prone to poor airflow and temperature regulation. Assess the factors that will influence indoor air quality and consider integrating an air quality management system, AQM, to work in tandem with HVAC to optimize indoor air quality while lowering energy costs. By taking a holistic, strategic approach to these projects, companies can create healthier and more efficient workplaces, often without massive capital investments. For already completed retrofits, organizations can make smart, easy-to-implement adjustments that have a dramatic and immediate impact, including recalibrate building and HVAC systems to respond dynamically to occupancy levels using sensors or scheduled adjustments. While some systems may need to be resized, in many cases, simple usage adjustments are all that is needed. Install modern AQM systems that continuously monitor indoor air quality and integrate with building management systems and zone-specific purifiers. These scalable, plug-and-play systems automatically adjust ventilation and filtration in response to real-time environmental conditions, helping to lower energy costs, support certifications like LEED, WELL, and FitWell, and create a more comfortable environment for building occupants. Leverage smart energy controls for lighting and outlets in building zones that are prone to low occupancy, cutting energy use and emissions while saving costs. Continuously monitor system performance analytics to identify inefficiencies and target improvements over time. When approached thoughtfully, retrofits can do more than correct past missteps. They allow organizations to future-proof their workplaces, delivering comfortable, healthy, and sustainable environments that truly support hybrid work. This industry voice comes from Jason Jones, the Director of Air Quality Management at Fellows, where he leads the company's sales efforts. He regularly conducts training for Fellows' distributors, sales representatives, and end users, helping them better understand the role of smart, responsive air quality management in today's commercial and institutional spaces.